In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the bumper on your RX350 Lexus. Remove the clips around the plastic. To do this, push in on the tabs. And then pull the cover off. Push all the clips in. Remove the plastic. Remove the clips on top of the grill. Pull up on these stoppers and then pull them out. There's 10mm bolts and some clips around the perimeter of this splash shield. Go ahead and remove them. Remove the shield. Remove the 10mm bolt on the corner of the bumper. And there's one clip. Do the same thing on the other side. Using a 21mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Do the same thing on the other side. Give these clips a 90-degree twist. Then push in on the bumper and pull them out. Pull this felt fender liner back, and there's going to be one 10mm bolt inside of here. Remove that. Do the same thing on the other side. On this clip, we're going to push in on this tab and then push the clip downwards, just like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Disconnect the connector on the back of the fog light. We're going to push on the tab and pull straight down and remove that clip. Do the same thing on the other side. We're going to push up on this tab and release the front bumper. Grab the corner of the bumper near the fender, and we're going to pull straight towards us and pop it out. Do the same thing on the other side. And then work down the headlight, and there will be a clip towards the front part. And that'll pop out. Pull the front bumper forward. And there's one connector on top of the fog light that we're going to have to remove. Remove the connector, and then go put the bumper somewhere safe. Install the connector, push until you hear a click, and then install the fog light connector. Install the bumper onto the car. It's best to have somebody help you. Get the corners started. And then in the middle, there will be that locking clip, and we're going to push straight in and engage that. Install the inner fender onto the bumper. Just like that. Install the clip for the bumper. And install the bolt. And we'll snug that down. And then do the same thing on the other side. We're going to tuck this fender liner back in. Install our clips. Just like that. Install the bolt. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the splash shield. We'll put our clips in on either side. Install the bolts into the splash shield, then snug them down. There should be one right here, but ours is broken. Put the hood stop clips into the top of the grille. And one more. Install the clip in the center support. Install the front plastic. Install the side plastic, put the clips in, Install the last plastic shield. Put all your clips in. And then we're ready to go. Start your lug nuts. Snug them down. Torque the wheels in a star pattern to 80 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.